Welcome to the Metrix Name Service tutorial series. In this instruction video, we'll renew a name using the Metrix Name Service. Anyone is able to renew a name without needing ownership of or affecting the ownership of it after the renewal. This ensures that names that projects and people use can remain registered in theory forever. To start off, navigate to the MNS app by clicking on App on the top right corner. Make sure that your wallet is connected to the MNS. Then search for the name you wish to renew. Click on Details next to the name. Then click on the button Renew next to the expiration date. Select how many days or years you wish to renew the name. Then click on Confirm. Now confirm the transaction in your wallet. Wait for at least one confirmation. You now successfully renewed your name. Thank you for watching. Still left with any questions? Please check our other videos.